Hi there, my name's Nadernejad and I fix online reputations. I help people who have negative Google links or a bad online presence repair it so they can get their life back and improve their living circumstance. Today's video I want to make quick because I have a bit of a tight schedule. It's gonna go okay, but it's a little bit busy, so I just want to get right to the chase. If you have negative Google links and you're trying to bury them, I have the top networks that you can create, social profiles that I recommend you start in order to rank them on Google and bury them. You have bad news reports, you have bad content on the internet when people search your name. You want to create social media profiles and different sites with your name in it. You need to remember to add your name in it or add the search term that you want to rank for. So these are the websites. I'm going to tell you about them right here and let you know what they all are, and then at the end of the video I'm going to hold up a screen and that's going to have all the networks. So you can either screenshot that or write it down and then go and create these networks. If you need help fixing your online reputation and it's a bit more devastating, the networks aren't working, you can always give me a call. I have my information, like my WhatsApp, in the description down below, and I also have forms on my website and an email there so you can contact me. So here we go. The first thing is building a personal website. If you build a personal website, that's going to rank for your name. You want to have a website domain that has your name in it. So mine is nadernejad.com. That's my last name. My full name is Nadernejad, so I didn't want it to be so long. But you can do nadernejad.com. You can do, if your last name is Smith, but that's taken for a domain, you can do Smith or John Smith, and then the sort of work that you do. So you can do like John Smith Carpentry, John Smith Plumbing, and then you can rank that. The next thing is Crunchbase. I recommend you use Crunchbase. You can list what you do, your services on that website, and it ranks very high. Medium is an article writing site. You can write articles with your name in it and have a profile in your name in it. So what you want is a headline with your name, and you want the article to say your name. Write articles about yourself in third person. Pinterest, great for photos, very high ranking. Post photos of yourself and title them with your name. Vimeo is a video platform very similar to YouTube, which you're probably on right now. I recommend that you start creating Vimeo videos and putting your name in the title of those videos. The next thing is IT Toolbox. IT Toolbox, I'm pretty sure you share equipment on that website, but I've noticed for clients it ranks very high. Google Knowledge Graph. Go to mybusiness.google.com and then type in an address or purchase a mailbox or a post box, and then create a business with your name in it. So like I said, John Smith Carpentry, John Smith Plumbing, and then put your area. So John Smith Plumbing, Peterborough, John Smith Plumbing, Pennsylvania, John Smith Plumbing, Wyoming, and then it's going to rank for your name on the sidebar of Google, and you can control the media and the images there. So I'm not going to list all of these. I'm actually going to put all the other honorable mentions. I think we have over 10, and I'm going to put that on the screen. So I hope this helped you. Go and try to implement some of those. If you're foggy about how to rank them, what I mean by adding your name in it, I can explain that in the comment section. So type your questions to me, and I'm happy to help. Thank you for watching.